back to Storytime All. Today we are going to be reading Little Blue Truck's Valentines. Written by Schertle. Illustrated by McMurry. Here we go. Little Blue Truck was on his way, delivering cards on Valentine's Day. Blue felt happy. For truth to tell, he hoped he'd get some cards as well. Blue drove into Hen's front yard with a polka dot egg-shaped Valentine's card. Blue said beep and Hen said clock. What a perfect Valentine, Little Blue Truck. Pig's pink card said, please be mine. Beep, said Blue. Happy Valentine. Oink, said Pig. A pretty pink, just right for cards and pigs, I think. In his big red barn was big brown horse. And Blue brought a big red card, of course. Nay, said Horse. What's this I see? A card almost as big as me. His card for Cow had a big bucket. Beep, said Blue. Happy Valentine's Day. Moo, said Cow. What a treat. A card that's good enough to eat. Dog was out for a nice cool swim, and Blue had a special card for him. A heart-shaped sail on a little red boat. Quack, said Dog. My card can float. Two last cards for goat and sheep with candy hearts. Beep, beep, beep. Bah, said sheep. Sweet card Blue. Ma, said goat. Mine is too. Blue headed home, and all the way he tried to be glad it was Valentine's Day. But Valentine's Day didn't seem much fun, and he didn't get cards from anyone. His own front door was open wide. Home at last. Blue drove inside. He couldn't believe his headlight eyes. Everyone yelled, surprise, surprise. Together now, Croak told, let's hear it. Quack it, clock it, oink it, cheer it. Hip hooray for a friend. That's true. You're our Valentine, Little Blue. The end. Thank you so much for reading with me. If you enjoy, please don't forget like and subscribe so we can reading again together. You take care now. See you back here soon. Bye bye.